Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back, and 8 days ago I think I started off the very first video of PEIPEI, and a lot of people were thinking that, oh no, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, but I'm going to show you how it started off.
Getting a rising wedge at the moment. So if I take the trend line and I drop off the trend line here, we have some few support. We could actually see one more fall down to the support and try to move back up again. So this is a very clear support right now. The second thing is resistance. So the resistance is shaping up to be something like this. And if we stretch the maximum stretch at the moment, then you're going to see the maximum time being until the end of the month, which is actually until 31 of July. Now, within 31 of July, we might actually start to squeeze too much and fall to the downside. But why do I say fall, right? Is there, okay, those people, you cannot deny that. And another thing is that C to go down.
Right, so the rising wedge was the very first thing I talked about on the channel, and the rest is history. So you had your rising wedge, I left the candles as it is, you moved up a little bit. The next videos that I made for you was that you had an ascending triangle printing out, and if you would have broken above it, we could have seen this coin up to 4158. But the thing is that it broke below, and even worse, moved down to 2749. And I cannot even show you how many weird comments I've been having back in those videos. So to make up for those weird comments, do you really think I deserve more? So maybe, yeah, some people were saying that this is going to billion plus dollars. I really hate it when some people just do not know what they're saying just for the sake of saying it. Thanks for video, more about PEIPEI will be great. Okay, so this guy actually liked the analysis. We had another one was bullish, nice, to level up. So many comments, man. Well, you can see this is another troll, right? So reading all the trolls here. What can you do? Sell and see next week to 50. You can do nothing. The most coming in every day. If it trades, then maybe we can talk. So I jumped to the market about 10 as short. Well, here it is. Okay, so yeah, those are the comments, right? Those are the comments that you get. But the thing is that on top of that, it moved up. But what now? Okay, what is happening now? Even worse is that you now have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder being printed out. And this left and head and shoulder is another bearish pattern that can take you from there to there and come here, and then you're looking for another drop, probably down to 1787 coming in the future, pretty much down to this technical target that I've given you for the rising wedge, which is actually down to 1701. Now to me, I'm getting more and more confident about this drop because, as I told you, invalidation could have happened only if and only if you actually ended up making up to 4158. And that's all for the video on PEIPEI. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.